what's in our fridge on our first outing with the RV. Let's start with the freezer first.
Okay. We've
Oh.
got some coconut water. We've got some Costco chicken nugs, literally the best. We've got some popsicles, and we have got some shrimp. Yum. Okay, in the fridge. In the door is kind of a Mod Podge. We've got protein drinks, butter, shredded cheese, minced garlic, energy drinks, beer, maple syrup, condiments, milk, creamer. That's a tea I just made that's cooling. More beer and tea.
Beer.
We've got some raspberries,
Beer.
cottage cheese, this Merlot cheese, green onion, eggs, potato salad, beer.
Beer.
Rice pudding, croissant rolls. Then we've got some chicken marinating in a mesquite lime. Then in here I've got sausage, ground beef, and something else, but I can't remember. Oh, brats. And then in here I've got some salad, lettuce, and peppers. So that's what is in the fridge.